Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Crunchbase, research companies and funding step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.crunchbase.com and hit enter. Once the Crunchbase homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first text box. Next, input your password in the second text box. If you want the site to remember your login details, check the box that says Remember Me. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password via your email. Once you are logged in successfully, you will be redirected to your Crunchbase dashboard. From here, you can research various companies and their funding details. Use the search bar at the top to enter the name of the company you want to research. Browse through the search results and click on the desired company name to view its profile. You will find information on funding rounds, investors, and other key details. Feel free to explore the various tabs to gather more insights about the company. If you wish, you can save companies to your profile for easier access later. You are now ready to dive into your research on Crunchbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.